Okay, so what are the miscellaneous component? That is your wiper, horn, and other gauges, sensor. What are these? These are the miscellaneous component which we are not discussed before in the automobile system. So here first we go for the ignition system. So what is the ignition system? Ignition system produce 30,000 war 30,000 volt spark across spark plug. So see much how much volt is produced at the spark plug. Distributes high voltage spark to the each spark plug in correct sequence. Time the spark so it occur as piston is nearing the top dead center. Varying spark timing with load, speed and other condition. So it is about the sparks. Basic ignition system component: battery, ignition switch, ignition coil, switching device, spark plug, ignition system wire. So these are the basic component for the ignition system. Now this is the basic ignition system. There is a spark plug. This is our ignition coil. Battery is there, and there is ignition switch. Means this is for the switch start. We just press the start button on the vehicle, and then spark is started. Okay. So here 12 watt in. See here 30,000 volt is output. Means for the sparking 30,000 volt is required. This is our spark wire and this is our spark plug. So here spark electric arc is produced. This is a fire, means ignition. By this ignition is start in the piston cylinder assembly. Okay. Ignition switch turn engine on or off. Coil transfer the voltage. Switching device trigger the ignition coil. Spark plug and wire distribute the spark. Spark plug and wire distribute the sparks. Primary circuit consists of low voltage wiring and components. Use conventional type of automotive primary wire. Controls when ignition will take place. When coil is fire. So this is our primary circuits: battery, ignition switch, blaster resistance, ignition coil, distribution point is here. Our spark plug is here. Now secondary circuit, see the secondary circuit is here. So here distributed circuit to individual cylinder to jump spark plug gap must have thicker, heavier insulation on the wire. Typical voltage to be jump gap 10,000 volt. So all the component here, ignition coil, secondary winding is there, distribution cap is there. This is our spark plug which is connected for the earthing. Okay, ignition coil. So transformer, two set of the winding, primary winding, secondary winding. Iron core produce magnetic field. See here, this is about the ignition coil. The combination all of these called the ignition coil. The combination of all these called the ignition coil. Ignition system types. So how many types? There is three types. Contact point ignition system, contact point ignition system, electronic ignition system, distributorless ignition system. So there are three ignition system which we going to discuss one by one. Contact point ignition system. Contact point ignition system. What is that? Distributors turn 1 by 2 engine RPM, distributor cam, contact point, condenser, point dowel, cam angle, basic for the system. So here you can observe that the ignition coil means combination of these plus and minus charge. This is our distributing, and here is our ignition switch. So what happened here? Battery is attached, so where we can switch the ignition switch, and here is our electricity circuits is start running. Electricity circuit is start running. So here this is your condenser, break point is here, and this is our distributors which is distribute the current for the spark. Dowel cam angle. See here, amount of time in the distribution degree, that point remains closed between each opening. Coil saturation time is controlled by the amount of dowel. See here, the point gap close during the dowel, open, point close, and open point means during this angle, this is our close point, and means this is our ideal point, and this is open to the fire. Now electronic ignition system. Electronic ignition system uses electronic control circuit to operate the ignition coil. More dependable than contact system. Higher secondary ignition voltage. See here, only here the diagram is changed. Means only distribution point is changed, all the change is here. We can connect the electronics control unit or electronic switching unit to operate the ignitions. Magnetic pickup coil. See here, because in the electronic ignition system the magnetic field is produced, so magnetic pickup coil is needed, produce tiny voltage pulses to the create magnetic field change. Trigger will interrupt the magnetic field, tell the control unit, that is amplifier, when to fire the ignition. Means it is concerned with the amplifier when an fire is needed. Hall effect device. Hall element is a solid state device contained a permanent magnet next to the element, attracts magnetic field to send the signal control unit. Signal is on or off. See here, this is our Hall effect device. Ignition control unit, that is called amplifier, control primary current to tell ignition coil when to fire the spark. And now see here, this is our amplifier or ignition control unit. Means what happened, this there is our spark plug and this is show the here there is a spark. So what happened, when we push the start button of the vehicle, then it send a signal to the amplifier, and amplifier is spark amplifier is send the signal to the spark plug, and when air fuel mixture is ready, then the spark will created. Means all the responsibility of the spark on the amplifier. High voltage secondary component. Ignition coil, coil wire, distributor cap, distributor rotors, spark plug wire and spark plug. This is about the high voltage secondary component. These are the secondary components for the high voltage. So this is our secondary coil. Coil high tension, spark plug wire, this is spark plug wire, and this is our engine ground. So what happened, electric arc is generated which is responsible to the motion of the electric engine or IC engine. So IC engine is sparked by the spark plug or ignite by the spark plug. So distributor spark to the right place at the right time. Part are designed to control the high voltage, because for the spark it is for the very few seconds, but it is very high voltage. It have very high voltage, it required very high voltage. So parts are designed to control the high voltage. Means part is must be suitable for the high voltage. So spark plug, see here, this is insulator, threaded sheet is here, tapered sheet is here. This is our cell is engaged. This is our gas tanks, and this is our threaded area, now insulated area. And you can observe here this gap. See, okay, so this is our side electrode and this is our electrode. Okay, side electrode and electrode, side electrode and electrode. So there is must be a clearance between the electrode and side electrode, because if there is no clearance, then there is no spark. Means for the spark or ignition, there is must be clearance between side electrode and electrode. So here 1, this is normal. 2, this is over overheaded, means height यहाँ पे ज्यादा हो गई है. This is more heighted. 3rd, pre-ignition. So there is a pre-ignition, means what happened? Ignition पहले हुआ तो there must be problem. आपका जो electrode है, this is melt out. 4th, cracked insulation. See here, insulation is cracked out. So what happened? This is also not suitable. 5th, bridged gap. So what happened? In दोनों के बीच में, means side electrode and the electrode, there is a miss of the gap, means gap must be there. So this is not correct position. 6, deposit fall. See here. So what happened? The impurities is connected to the between the side electrode and electrode. So what happened? Due to these impurities, the spark is not properly generated. Okay. 7, carbon glass. So what happened? There is a different type of material is used for the electrode and the side electrode. And splashed, see here, there is a splashed, means this position, this splash things is also not suitable for the spark. And 9 is our glazed and oil flooded, means what happened? 10 number is oil returning here, oil returning here. So due to the oiling, spark is not proper. So what happened in all these diagram, the figure number 1, that is the requirement. This is the requirement. So we need normal position for the good spark. Now spark plug types. So see here, the maximum things is common, but power cell there is resistor, central electrode there is resistor is here. So these two types diagram shown for the spark plug. distributorless ignition system. Time is very precious. Means this is used for the less time. Means this response is very fast. No mechanical part to be bear out. Required less maintenance. Mechanical part is not bear out, means there is no friction between mechanical parts. Require less maintenance is required. Ignition timing is usually not adjustable, so we can't adjust the ignition time. Computer rely on the ignition sensor, means computer system R coding is required for the ignition system. On board computer control ignition system, timing usually through a ignition module, means we can see the what are the controlling system of the distributor slash ignition system, and we can observe what is happening. So in this slide you can go through the distribution ignition system, so here the same things. Here two coils are uses. In previous two types one coil is uses, here two coils is uses. And this is our computers, because this ignition system is controlled by the computer, so efficiency is strong. Means we can say that the efficiency of this ignition system is very high. So, and it can control multiple spark plug, and the controlling is very good. And as we see in the previous slide, there is no link up with the mechanical components or mechanical parts, so the wear and tear of the mechanical components are is not possible here. So here you can see DIS. DIS nothing but distributor-less ignition system. It is the short form of distributed ignition system. So here coil assembly is there. So one, two, three coil assembly is there, and this is our crank sensor, front view, primary binding and secondary binding, and this is the electric circuit. These are the electric circuit for the DIS system. And now these are the for the for the ignition system. Now we talk about the lighting system of the automobile. See, can you imagine or can you answer this question? How many light bulbs are on a modern vehicle? Means how many bulbs or electric bulbs is used for the modern vehicle or current type of vehicle? 8 tail light, 6 front light, In the side, 4 is uses. 15 lights or bulb usage is interior, means inside the car. IP and controls uses 20 to 24 bulbs. So total 56 lights, total 56 light or bulb uses in the lighting system in the present car, automobile cars. Okay, I think time is over now, so we can discuss the